Hey geeks, and so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my quick and easy setup for whenever I need to do recordings like this, or if I actually need to do screen recordings. And the main software that I use for this is OBS. This is a wonderful piece of software and it is free. So right now I am actually using my Panasonic G85 camera, but I could also go to my desktop. So right now I'm on my desktop. In this case, I am using my webcam. This is my Logitech C920. And if I just wanted to show my desktop, I could do that as well. So as you can see here, it's just my desktop. And you can also see that I have OBS here. I have multiple scenes set up. And right now I am recording this using OBS. And so I'm not gonna make any changes yet. But this is what I typically use whenever I'm doing these type of videos. And having this type of setup makes it really easy for me to go from a camera view like this over to my desktop with or without video. And if I actually wanted to just see my webcam and have it fill the screen, I can show you that as well. Right now I currently have a filter on here. So if I go here and turn off my circle filter, you'll now see how things look like using my webcam versus my camera, which is right here. But all of this is being done through OBS, and I can't tell you how awesome this piece of software is. And then later, as you add more other peripherals like a camera, your webcam, and also microphone accessories, this really gives you like a complete and entire setup that's not really going to break the bank, and at the same time it's really easy and functional to use. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you have your setup, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire playlist on all my geek gear reviews or even my OBS tutorials, tips and tricks, I do have playlists for both of those. I'll leave that in the description area below, or you could go up here. Get thousands of royalty-free music and sound effects for all your creative needs. Whether you are a content creator, freelancer, or business, Audio has the perfect song for you at amazing prices. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.